Thank you for tuning in to Terry Swoop Videos. I wanted to educate people on how to make money on YouTube. Now, a lot of people think in order to make money on YouTube, you have to have millions of subscribers and you have to get millions of views. That's not true at all. There's plenty of people that make a decent living on YouTube just getting a few thousand views and only having a few thousand subscribers. Now, the way YouTube has it set up, it's very difficult to monetize your videos now. Now, it used to be any person on YouTube could start an account and monetize your videos. But a year ago, YouTube changed the rules where you have to have 1,000 subscribers or more, and you have to have 14,000 hours of watch time on your channel. And then you can monetize your videos. Now, I've been on YouTube for about 10 years. I have over 400,000 subscribers, and my career views on my channel is over 100 million views. Meaning the 10 years that I've been on YouTube, if you combine all my videos together, it adds up to a little over 100 million views. So I've done good. My channel has went up and down. There's sometimes when my channel is really hot and I'm getting a lot of traffic. And then there's sometimes where my channel is struggling and I'm struggling to get views. So it comes and goes. Sometimes your channel is hot and sometimes your channel is not. So the amount of money you're going to make is going to go up and down. Like there's some years on YouTube where I've made $80,000 in a year. And then there's some other years where I made less than $30,000. But my average per year of what I make on YouTube is about $50,000 a year. I think it's easier for women to get famous on YouTube than it is for men. Especially if you're a young, beautiful woman. If you're a young, beautiful woman that has a nice shape, all you have to do is model some clothes in your videos. Do clothing haul videos. These are videos where you try on different clothes and you tell your subscribers what clothes to buy and what clothes not to buy, and then use a sexy thumbnail in your video, and you'll get millions of views immediately. You'll get a following within 1 month. You'll have over 100,000 subscribers. There's this YouTube named Zoe Burger. This woman started her channel a couple years ago, but when she first started her channel, within 1 month, she had over 1 million subscribers. Because in all of her videos, she would just wear a thong and a bikini, and she would talk about video games in her videos. And then she would dance while she's doing her videos, and she got 1 million subscribers in less than 1 month. Usually it takes somebody years and years to get to 1 million subscribers. But because she used her looks to get subscribers, to get views, she was able to get 1 million subscribers in less than 1 month. So it depends on what tactics you use to get those subscribers, to get those views. A lot of people use clickbait tactics. Some people do all types of things to get views on YouTube. So it depends on what you're willing to do to get those views. Now, your videos don't have to be monetized in order to make money on YouTube. There's so many different ways that you can make money on YouTube. You can make money through the super chat. This is a program where you can do live conversations with your subscribers and get donations from your subscribers, from the people watching your videos. Another way that you can make money on YouTube is by selling merchandise. This is what a lot of YouTubers are doing. Well, they'll create a product at home, whether it be shirts, whether it be some type of fashion, and they'll sell that on their YouTube channel. So you'll see a lot of YouTubers, they're selling shirts, they're selling clothes, they're selling cups, and you can put some type of catchphrase on the cup and sell it on your channel. So there's so many different ways to make money on YouTube. You don't have to have a channel that gets millions of views per video in order to make money. You can get a few thousand views and just have a loyal few thousand views per video and make a decent living on the channel. So it doesn't require millions of views and millions of subscribers. Now, my advice for any person that's just starting out is you have to be patient. When you first start your channel, you're not gonna become this famous star when you first start your channel. It takes a couple months. It may even take a couple years for you to get a following. Now, for some people, I've seen some people start their YouTube channel and within 1 month, they have 1 million subscribers and they're one of the top YouTubers. But you have to do certain type of gimmicks to do that. Like a lot of celebrities can start their YouTube channel and within 1 month, they have millions of subscribers. Like Will Smith, for example. Will Smith just started his YouTube channel a year ago. But when he first started it, within 1 week, he had millions of subscribers because he's a celebrity. It's different when you're already famous from another platform and coming on YouTube. That helps you out. Like, let's say somebody is really famous or really popular on Twitter or on Instagram, but they don't have a YouTube channel. If somebody is really popular on another platform, whether it be Instagram or Twitter, and they start their YouTube channel, they're going to be able to get an audience right away because they already have an audience. They already have a following. Like there's a lot of popular Instagram people who don't have a YouTube channel. There's a lot of popular people on Twitter who do not have a YouTube channel. But if those people were to start a YouTube channel, they could easily get a following like that because they already have a following on other platforms. So it depends on whether you already have a following or don't have a following. If you don't have a following on any platforms, whether it be Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, if you don't have any following on any of those platforms and you start your YouTube channel from scratch, it's going to take you longer to get a following. It may even take you 6 months. You just have to be patient. Because what happens is when a lot of people start their YouTube channel and they upload their first couple of videos and they see they're not getting a lot of views, they usually just give up. They usually just quit and they give up. And that's exactly what my brother did. When my brother first started his YouTube channel, he thought he was going to get big like me within a few months. And that didn't work out for him. He hardly didn't get any views his first couple of months, and he ended up quitting. My advice for any person that's starting their YouTube channel, you have to be patient. You're not going to become this big star right away. It's going to take a while for you to get a following. So if you upload your first couple of videos, and let's say your views are really low, don't sweat it. Don't make a big deal about it. If you just keep uploading every day, within a few months, you're going to get a following. Especially if your videos are good. If you're making good quality content that people want to see, eventually you're going to get a following. You just got to wait out and you have to be patient. And once you get that following, that's when you can just make as much money as possible. You can sell merchandise, you can make money off the advertising. And even if your channel is not monetized, like I said, you can still make money doing other things outside of monetization. You look at this guy, Steven Crowder. Steven Crowder is a YouTuber who's been on the platform for about 10 years. Now, his channel got demonetized after he told a joke about Carlos Maza. He told a joke about him, and YouTube demonetized his channel. which means he can no longer monetize his videos. But he's still making millions of dollars selling merchandise. He sells cups, he sells t-shirts, he sells all types of merchandise on his channel. And this is how he makes his money off his channel. And like I said, you don't have to be monetized in order to make money. The best way to make money on YouTube is selling merchandise and getting your supporters to join your Patreon. If you can get a loyal following that's going to donate money to you on Patreon and sell and buy your merchandise, you're going to make $100,000 or more per year. You're going to potentially make millions of dollars a year, depending on how popular you become. So my advice for any person that's just starting out, just be patient, stay with it, and learn from your mistakes. Learn from other successful YouTubers on the platform. A lot of people have different opinions about this topic. Leave a comment, rate, and subscribe.